Hello and welcome everyone. Here is our another video of good manufacturing practice EU guideline pharmaceutical quality system. So before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so you can get the latest video on notification. So let's start the video. Our today's topic is production area. In order to minimize the risk of serious medical hazard due to cross contamination, dedicated and self-contained facilities must be available for the production of a particular medicinal products, such as a highly sanitizing materials or biological preparations. The production of a certain additional products such as a certain antibiotics, certain hormones, certain cytotoxics, certain highly active drugs and non-medicinal products should be not conducted in the same facilities can be accepted provided that a specific precaution are taken and the necessary validation are made. The manufacture of technical poisons such as a pesticide and herbicide should not be allowed in a premises used for the manufacturing of a medicinal products. The adequacy of the working and in-process storage space should permit the orderly and logical positioning of equipment and material so as to minimize the risk of a confusion between different medicinal products or their component, to avoid cross contamination and to minimize the risk of a wrong application of any of the manufacturing or control steps, where starting and primary packaging materials, intermediate of a bulk products and exposed to the environment interior surface should be smooth, free from cracks and open joints, and should not shed particulate matters, and should permit easy and effective cleaning and if necessary disinfection. Pipework, light fitting, ventilation point and other services should be designed and situated to avoid the creation of recesses which are difficult to clean. As far as possible, for maintenance purposes, they should be accessible from the outside the manufacturing area. Production area should be effectively ventilated with air control facilities including temperature and where necessary humidity and filtration, appropriate both to the product handled and to the operation undertaken within them to the external environment. Weighing of starting materials usually should be carried out in a separate weighing room designed for that use. In cases where dust is generated, for example during sampling, weighing, mixing and processing operations, packaging should be taken to avoid cross contamination and facilitate cleaning. Premises for the packaging of a medicinal product should be specifically designed and laid out so as to avoid mix-up or cross contamination. Production area should be well lit, particularly where visual online controls are carried out. Hope you like this video. For more video notification, join us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.